Let's explore a step-by-step guide to activate your favorite OTTs on PlayboxTV. Download the PlayboxTV app in your mobile from Android Play Store or Apple App Store. Log in with your registered mobile number and enter the OTP. Select your preferred languages for customized recommendations. Enjoy the PlayboxTV app now. To subscribe to Disney Plus Hotstar, Step 1. Go to the Disney Plus Hotstar icon from the Browse by App section. Step 2. Select the content you wish to watch and press the play button. Step 3. Download the Disney Plus Hotstar app and press the Subscribe to Watch button. Step 4. Log into the app with your registered mobile number and OTP. Step 5. Enjoy your Disney Plus Hotstar subscription. ZEE5, Sun Next, AHA and JioSaavn can be activated through a similar process. Subscribe to Sony Live. Step 1. Go to the Sony Live icon from the Browse by Apps section. Step 2. Select the content you wish to watch and press the play button. Enjoy your Sony Live subscription. The content will play in the PlayboxTV app or Android devices and will be redirected to Sony Live app on Apple devices. Shimaru, Hungama, Om TV, Fancode, Distro TV, Hubhopper, Chaupal, iTap, Stage, Kanchan Lanka, Raj Digital, ETV Win, Shots TV, Chana Jor, Travel XP, Mama Flix, Run TV, Shuke Films, Dangal Play, OTT Plus, Our Next can be activated through a similar process. To subscribe to Discovery Plus, Step 1. Go to the Subscribe tab on the top right section of the PlayboxTV app. Step 2. Tap the Claim Now button and copy the voucher code available on Discovery Plus card. Step 3. Click on the Discovery Plus card and go to the first link in the pop-up menu. Step 4. Click on the Apply Voucher section and log in with your registered mobile number and OTP. Step 5. Enter the voucher code and enjoy your Discovery Plus content. To subscribe to Amazon Prime Lite, Step 1. Go to the Subscribe tab on the top right section of the PlayboxTV app. Step 2. Tap the Claim Now button and copy the voucher code available on the Amazon Prime card. Step 3. Click on the Amazon Prime Lite card and go to the first link on the pop-up menu. Step 4. Log in with your registered mobile number and OTP. Step 5. Enter the voucher code and click on the tab that says Prime Video Rs 799. Step 6. Select the Prime Lite for Rs 799 plan. Step 7. Select the Make Payment option. Put in your details and go ahead with the Use This Address option. Enjoy your Amazon Prime subscription.